We're showing you so you can make a decision if this product may be for you. Pool lights, solar lights. Comes in a nice small box. You have some glue, cabling, brackets, remote control, and lights. You get 2 sets. This is an 800 milliamp. Takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. It's IP68 rated. 16 colors. Peel off the protective film. It has a lip over here that's going to slide into the brick-like plastic housing, and you're going to take the waterproof glue, place some on, and place this in an area where you like. And when you're ready to charge again the unit, it has a waterproof plug on the back that you pull off, and the switch to turn on the unit to get the colors to light up with the remote control. You have a on and off button. You have different lights, RGB. You have a dimness. And you have flashing mode, fade mode, smooth mode, and white light. You have a timer of 4+ hours. Manually turn off through the back of the unit by long pressing. Take the DIN cable, plug it into a power source. It lights up in the middle, red. Charge both units and make sure it goes in the off position when charging. We're going to set up one of these. We're going to unscrew the cap. Grab yourself a scissors, snip off the tip, open up the cap, puncture the little hole, place on the tip. You can see the glue's coming out. Careful not to get it on your fingers because it will stick in the higher immediately. With the wide angle facing up, what you're going to do is go into a clear container to your pool, and you're going to mount the unit on, and you're going to hire it and allow to dry. When the glue finishes drying and the product's finished charging, we're going to wait for the evening hours and show you what it looks like underwater. I'm going to turn the unit on. We're going to turn the unit on. We're going to place it onto the little piece here. Turn the other one on. And we're going to shut the units off. We have here in a bucket of water to demonstrate for poolside lights. They come in different colors, so we go through the color schemes of red, green, blue, orange, a turquoise, a purple, a yellow, a bluish, purple, so forth. Put it on a timer. We'll bring it to the first one. It's a solid color. A multicolor. And a breathing color. We could brighten up the unit and make it darker. And reset it. I hope this is something that you're looking for your poolside to decorate, put up anywhere imaginable, in the water, laying on the floor. IP68 rated, does a great job. The only thing that's not waterproof is the remote control. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.